welcome to theclearskinessentials.com. I'm Natasha St. Michael and Happy New Year. Happy 2020. Happy new decade. Happy to be back. And today what I want to do is actually kind of jump back to 2019 and talk about my favorite skincare and beauty products that I found in 2019 that I just absolutely fell in love with. All these products, which includes hair care, body care, and skincare products, they're either all natural or they're clean beauty products. So let's jump in. So the first products are from Innersense Organic Beauty, and these are the Hydrating Hairbath and Hydrating Cream Conditioner. These are outstanding. I would say these are the standout products I tried in 2019. I absolutely fell in love with them, mainly because they really help dry, coarse, porous, dehydrated hair. And that's what my hair is. It needs help. It needs serious nourishment. And over the years, I've tried a lot of all natural hair care products. And I would say 9 out of 10 times most natural hair care products just don't work for me. A lot of times they make my scalp dry or itchy, or they're just not nourishing enough. Like, they're really good for like normal hair or fine hair. But once you have hair that is more kind of porous and coarse and needs extra nourishment, it's hard to find hair care products that work, even mainstream hair care products. And so I was blown away when I tried these, because these are better than anything I've ever tried, and I just fell in love. And pretty much what they'll do is, if you have really dry, dehydrated, coarse hair, or chemically treated hair, porous hair, it will just make your hair more soft, it will nourish your hair, it will make it shiny, it'll just bring it back to life. Because a lot of times when you have very dry hair, it's like thirsty hair. It just kind of like drinks everything up. And this really, it just balances out and makes your hair healthy and just, it's amazing. So super loved it. And also it helps a lot with frizz too, because I tend to get like this halo of frizz, and it really helps to kind of just smooth that down as well. So, and by the way, these are the travel size products. So they lasted me a little bit over 3 months. I wash my hair twice a week, and a little does go a long way, especially the cream conditioner, the hydrating cream conditioner. It lasts a long time. It lasted me beyond 3 months, and definitely buying full-size products of these. These are just awesome. And they have a full range, by the way, so if you have a different hair type, definitely look into it. I'm very, very excited about these. The next product is from Nateur, and this is their Holi Stick Deodorant number 3. And this also too is a travel size. The full size is a lot bigger than this. This is awesome. This is a deodorant. It's an all-natural deodorant, and the scent of it is a very fresh scent. It's an eucalyptus. It has a little bit of lavender in it. This, I never got BO from it. I only needed to apply it once a day. Never had to reapply. Never irritated my skin. I can use this after shaving. Love this. And I will say, because I've tried a lot of natural deodorants and most of them work for me, so I don't struggle with that. But what I loved most about this is that it is a twist up. It's already finished, but it's a twist up stick. So it's not a jar. And all the other deodorants I've used over the years have always been a jar, a jar of product. You have to stick your finger in and put it underneath your armpit. And it's fast, it's easy to use, but I always hate having to wash my hands after having to stick my finger in the jar, and it's just, And so I love that this is in a stick format. I can just apply it and go, and I'm definitely repurchasing this. And by the way, this does have baking soda in it, so I know that some people are very sensitive to that, and they have another deodorant stick for sensitive skin that doesn't have the baking soda in it. So there is an alternative to this, but I highly, highly recommend it. I loved it. I was thrilled to use this. So definitely gonna get this again as well. So the next product is from Living Libations, and this is the RoseGlow Complexion Mist. And oh my God, I can't believe I haven't tried this product up until this year. As you guys know, I love Living Libations, and I've been using their products for over a decade, and I've tried, I would say, majority of their product line, but I've never tried their complexion mist, mainly because a lot of times toning mists irritate my skin, so it's never been something that I gravitate towards. And as all of you know, I opened a little store on my website, and I'm selling Living Libations, so I've wanted to try try other products that I haven't tried before to see what I want to add onto the store. And I started using this and I was just completely blown away. I was like, this is amazing. Basically, it's amazing because it's a very simple product. It's made out of pure rose hydrosol or rose water, and it just soothes your skin. It evens out your skin tone. And I would say the biggest standout for me is that it really helps with the texture on my skin. So as I'm getting older, I'm getting more sort of enlarged pores, not necessarily clogged pores, but just more noticeable pores. I don't know, this is just something, I'm turning 44 this week, and I would say since maybe 42, my skin has been changing a lot. And maybe too, it's because I've had kids later on in life and all of that. But as I'm getting older, definitely more challenges. And this really helps just to smooth out my skin, and it hydrates my skin. And I find that the more hydrated your skin is, the better it looks. And the moment it starts getting dehydrated, it looks lined, it looks wrinkled, it looks porous, it looks a little dull. So this stuff I loved. It just even skin tone, less noticeable pores, hydrated skin, bouncy skin, plumps up your skin, and it's just gentle. I would even recommend this for someone that's got sensitive skin or acne prone skin that needs extra hydration. It's not going to irritate your skin one bit, and you don't have to worry too about what other products you're using in your skincare routine, because for me that was always a big issue with toners and with mist, was that there's so many ingredients a lot of times in those toning products that a lot of times they don't work with other skincare products, and that's when I'd start getting like irritation and redness and just issues. But with this, I've used this with so many different brands and so many different products and routines, and it works amazing with everything. So I love it. The mist itself is very, very fine, so if some of you like to sort of mist your skin after you apply makeup just to have a more dewy, fresh look, you can definitely do that. It's not going to disturb your makeup. I like to use this after I cleanse my skin before I'm using like a serum or a moisturizer, and it'll just help to absorb the product better, and I'll just add extra hydration. Awesome, awesome, awesome product. Highly recommend it. So the next product is from REN Clean Skincare, and this is their Instant Firming Beauty Shot, and I fell in love with this. This really works. This is a gel serum, and it's made with hyaluronans and also with phycocolloids, which both are humectants, okay, and they work together to sort of draw moisture and water to your skin and help your skin retain it. And the hyaluronans are similar to hyaluronic acid. What I found with this product, because I've tried a lot of hyaluronic acid products, is that this product, it hydrates my skin, it firms it up, it tightens it up, but my skin doesn't appear tight. Like a lot of times I use hyaluronic acid products and I find that it leaves sort of like a plasticky sort of layer on my skin, and once it dries down, my skin looks a little bit dry and cracked. Whereas with this, you feel the effect of it firming up and tightening your skin, but when you actually look at your skin in the mirror, your skin looks plumped up, it looks hydrated, it looks dewy, it doesn't look sort of drawn and cracked. And I just loved it. I love that it actually does firm up your skin. Now, this is not like a permanent fix. This just works when you're using it. So it's not like a facelift in a bottle. It's not going to permanently change your skin, but it will make your skin appear a lot more firmer and kind of just I find if you've got puffiness around your eyes, it will help to sort of suck that up and get rid of it. And it'll work as it's on your skin. As soon as you wash it off, it doesn't work anymore. So just to let you know that there's no false promises in the bottle. But this works, and I would recommend this to anyone that's probably over the age of 35 that's noticing that their skin is starting to sag or that their skin is dehydrated. If you have puffiness on your skin, if you're prone to getting bags under your eyes, I'm prone to getting bags on one eye, and this gets rid of it. So I actually apply this underneath the eye. I believe they have a similar product formulated just for the eye area, but you can use this. I've had no irritation, no problems with it. And I have to say that a lot of times I'm prone to getting breakouts from hyaluronic acid products, and I've never had any kind of bumps or congested pores or breakouts from this. So I love it. You can use it as a serum. It's a gel serum. So you would use it, I would say either layer it underneath your moisturizer or underneath your sunscreen, or you can even mix it in with your moisturizer. And they even say you can use this on top of your makeup. I've tried every way, and it's interesting to me that it works the same any way you use it. So it really depends just what works with you and your skincare routine. But I do recommend experimenting with it. But I absolutely love this. I highly, highly recommend it for anyone that just needs a little bit of a lift. And then the next product is from Leahlani Skincare, and this is their Happy Hour Balancing Serum. Now, this was renamed and repackaged this past year. It used to be called the Champagne Serum, and it used to be in this packaging, but it's now in a new packaging. The formula is the same, product is the same, it's just new name, new packaging. Absolutely love this and highly, highly recommend it to anyone that's got very sensitive skin that is prone to like irritation, redness, achy skin that perhaps is combination, it's half oily, half dry. Any skin type can use this, but it's an extremely balancing product. It'll help to balance out your skin. And it's an oil-based serum, but it's very nourishing that it could be used as a moisturizer as well. And the base carrier oils of this is Chardonnay grapeseed oil. And I believe there's 2 varieties in it, as well as an array of very calming essential oils. And the good thing about this is that since the base is the grapeseed oil, this can actually be very compatible and very balancing for acne-prone skin. I love this. I found that it helped to reduce redness, sensitivity. It would just, like, if ever my skin just felt like angry and achy, this would just bring it back to center, back to balance, and just loved it. And also too, one thing I experimented with, because I had tried a bunch of Leahlani Skincare products. If you saw that review, I used all her products exclusively for 30 days. And after that 30-day experiment, I started experimenting with using this with a moisturizer as a moisturizing treatment, because I found that I could use this during the day as a moisturizer and at night. But I wanted to see what would happen if I actually mixed it with a cream, with like a moisturizer. And that too really, really worked well. It's not something I could do all the time because it ends up being super rich. But as like maybe a twice weekly treatment, if you're prone to redness or dehydrated skin, definitely try mixing this with, I would say, a plain moisturizer, just so that the essential oils and the botanicals in this can really actually work at helping to calm your skin. I found this worked really well. I've been using it with the Drunk Elephant, their Lala Retro cream, and these 2 products worked amazing together. And I've actually been using it as well with the Living Libations with their RoseGlow cream. I found most of Leahlani's products didn't work so well with other brands that have essential oils in it, but with that moisturizer in particular, I had no issues, and it was just very soothing and just really, really nourishing, balancing, nice treatment. So I love this. It's suitable for all skin types. If you've got more, I would say, oily or combination skin, especially if it's leaning more with having acne-prone skin, I would just use this on its own. But if your skin is more on the dry side but very sensitive, then try and mix it with a very plain moisturizer, and do that a few times a week and use it on its own during the day. Beautiful, beautiful product. And then the last product is from Biossance, and this is the Squalane Omega Repair Cream. This is by far one of the best moisturizers I've ever used for very dry, dehydrated, sensitized skin. It is fantastic. And the size of it, by the way, is I would say deluxe sample size or a travel size. I bought it in the Biossance, one of their kits, and that's pretty much, I'm almost finished it. It's lasted a good, I would say, good 3 or 4 months at least. And so I'm almost done. I just love this. This is like the perfect night cream. It might be for some people a little bit heavy during the day. I would say if you're in like winter weather and your skin is just like parched and it's just super dry and just like cracked and chapped, then definitely use this during the day because it will replenish your skin. It will protect your skin. It will help your skin heal and get back to balance. It's amazing. But let's say you're in like more warmer weather, I would just use this at night because it can be quite, it's not heavy or anything, but it is occlusive and it helps to seal in that moisture, that it's something that you might be more comfortable with at night as opposed to during the day. It really depends on your skin type, your climate, what you're used to. But fantastic product if you are struggling with very dry, dehydrated, sensitive skin. For me, I love Squalane. Squalane really works well with my skin, and the whole Biossance line has Squalane in it. And I just find that Squalane itself, it's a very benign ingredient. Like it'll never irritate your skin, but at the same time it has an occlusive quality to it where it's lightweight, but it seals in moisture beautifully. And I just find it's one of the best ingredients to look out for if your skin is really dehydrated and sensitive. Perhaps your skin is chapped or just peeling, just really like losing water. Get something that has squalane in it, and I recommend trying the Biossance line because their products are really, really good, what I've tried so far. So I love this cream. I think this cream is way better for dry skin than the Lala Retro, by the way. A lot better for very dry skin. It's nourishing, it's moisturizing, it has the lipids, it has the ceramides in it, and it seals everything in. Just awesome, awesome. And that's it. That's my roundup of my favorite products from 2019. I'm going to put links below to all these products as well as some of my other videos of previous year's favorites. It was hard putting this together because there were so many awesome products that I've tried this past year, but these are by far the best of what I've tried over the year, and by far these are the products that I will be repurchasing that I loved. I'm thrilled to have tried and to have found. I'd also love to hear what your favorites were that you tried this past year, or maybe what are your all-time favorites, because I also have a lot of all-time favorites, but these are certainly going to be added to those all-time favorites. And actually I have on my website a list of my favorite skincare, my favorite body care, and my favorite sort of healthy household products. And they're sort of like a compilation list of my all-time favorites. So I'm going to put a link to those pages as well if you want to see other products that I love that are forever my favorites. So I'm glad to be back. I'm glad that we're in 2020, more awesomeness to come. And I'm wishing everyone a fabulous day and a fabulous week and a fabulous year to come. Bye!